Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you enable Meet uh, on your Meet app where you go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on me down here, and just click here on me here. So when you click on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on general. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to mute mode. Just click in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us. That's here mute mode enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.